You're watching how to change the default chat emoji in Messenger. Open the Messenger app and tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Under the Preferences section, tap Emoji. Here you will see default reaction emoji. Tap on it. You will see a set of 6 emoji options like heart, laugh, wow, sad, and angry. These are the quick reaction emojis available when you double tap a message. Select the emoji you want to set as your default. The default is the one that appears when you double tap a message quickly. You can also set your go-to emoji for the reaction menu. Below the default setting, you may see go-to emoji, which is the first emoji that appears when you long press a message to open the full reaction menu. Tap on it and choose your preferred emoji. After selecting, the changes are saved automatically. Now, when you double tap a message in any chat, it will react with your chosen default emoji. If you long press a message, your selected go-to emoji will be highlighted. First, these settings are personal and do not affect how others see your reactions. They just change which emoji you send by default. This customization makes reacting faster and more personal. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.